Hi, John Wanala, just testing out the video before I have a little play around with it and make sure the sound's going good and see how loud it is. If it's loud enough, where it is, I'll try it out now. Hi John, just testing out the sound before I carry on with it and see if it's any good. So here goes, try it out. Hi there, John here in Auckland again. It's Wednesday today, the 31st of August 2011. This is the day, the worst day in Maori's history for the Chief Justice Sian Elias of the Supreme Court in New Zealand here. In a quandary now because they have no Governor General and she's hoping to appoint the new one, Jerry Mataparai Andrews, and I just want to point out that we're in a serious situation here after the Governor General Anan Satanan was sacked up at Waitangi in front of the Confederation of Chiefs, the Ariki. They are the only recognised body of Maori authority in the United Nations that has the ownership of these lands, the landlord, and the government has tried before with Jeffrey Palmer in 1986 to try and get the seat on the Congress, the council there, and it looks like they will never be able to do that because they're not Maori. The deal was between the Maori Hapu and the Government of England, not the Queen, the Government of England. So with the treaty being extinguished and the Governor General being extinguished on the 4th of February 2011, that was the end of that as far as we're concerned. And so I just wanted to read these notes out because I've given Sian Elias one affidavit already that's expired, so that it means it's in force now. It's law because she has not rebutted it. And I gave her 72 hours. Again, I'm giving her another one. She's got it already now. And I attached a video with it, this video, before 9 o'clock, before she starts her business. And her company, Her Majesty the Queen of Right of New Zealand. That's their corporate company. And we have our own corporate company, Ngātua Iwa Aotea Limited, stacked up against that crown. One crown, Moai, crown, sovereign state, against the New Zealand government assumed sovereign state from England. So we have that two crowns. You can't have two crowns. So we're contesting the crown, who they are, and what is their business, and a lot more things. So I'm just going to rattle these off just to back up the affidavit that I've given her, 72 hours, and that should be Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Monday, I think, to rebut it again. And like today, I warned her about appointing a Governor General when clearly we have sacked Governor General, no more Governor Generals, and we have the authority, not the Government of Wellington. They are only their interim government. So here we go. There's about 26 points I make to Sian Elias in why we have her investigated, and their crown investigated, the birth certificates investigated, every single thing investigated. Their companies are winding up now. Before 2012, Her Majesty Queen and Right of New Zealand is winding up. There's a big notice on my Facebook, and just indicates that. So we're going to catch them before they go. In fact, we've already got a bill, assessed the bill without them shutting their mouths and saying nothing. We've billed them for 1,000 trillion that covers the whole Pacific, around the world, and every other indigenous person part of that. And so that applies to here as well in New Zealand. So we've got, today is the worst day in Maori history. If you go ahead and appoint the new Governor General, Anan Satanan, you commit treason. And the new government, corrupt person, I am here to watch you perform this treason act on behalf of the Queen in England, and she's treason as well, well into it, and her Queen Elizabeth Supreme Governor of the Church of England title that she has changed from her original Her Majesty the Queen of Right of New Zealand. So she's reinvented herself and coming to New Zealand to start a new life and leave all their debts floating around and try to see them disappear. No, we're going to bill her for all of that too. That's right back to 1835 when we got the Declaration of Independence from King William IV. We reinstated that up at Waitangi and took out the 1840 Treaty of Waitangi. So I just tell you, all you iwis, your iwi organisations, Ngāti and this Ngāti that, those are Pākehā terms. The hapu is separate. You haven't got titles, you haven't got whakapapa, you haven't got nothing. You haven't even gone up against Moai yet. Moai, you put stack your history against Moai and me, right, with an indigenous name to the obelisk at the East Cape. Now, put your stuff in front and let's see who you are, not a plastic Maori from England, right? That's the trouble, and you're not going to get away with it. Before 2012, the Big Bang, will have you up on a stand and locked, cuffed and sent back to England, right? That's what I'm telling you right now. There's a lot of people watching this around the world to see what happens here on Facebook, okay? Don't try and get rid of it either, because it's too late. It's all out there. Now, you people, alien laws, the point I make is several, but I class them in this order of random because all the corrupt crown talks to itself. And it got no ears for anyone. So Anayan Satanan, he failed to respond, and so the story goes on. The next one shuts his ears and he won't listen, and the Queen never responded to our letters, neither did the Governor-General, and I know Jerry Mataparai Andrews will do the same too. He's going to try and bring the military in here. We'll stop all his wartime things, because this country is not supposed to be attracting war. It's supposed to be here to bring people together, not the sword of the Queen. Put the sword on top of on Mataparai. You'll see on my affidavit, it's no good. God didn't have swords to appoint. That's man, right? We go straight up to heaven, not playing around with churches. Churches are evil. Up they go. Church of England, Catholic Church. You've used God, used our DNA, used it and screwed all our people, and you're still in trouble with yourselves and the fraud you've got to face. You've got to face the truth. The only way to get it out of you, stick you on a stand, all right? And the 1902 Union Jack flag, that was given on a boat. The 1835 was given on the land. So one is on the ship. That's the Admiralty law of this country. You get on your boat and go, because that's what you've been told to at the Waitangi. Get on your boat with your Admiralty law, take your bar, take everything out of here, and we're going to start clean, fresh, no corruption, because there's too much of it. We'll just show the whole lot of, and bill everybody, every single alien, all the way back to the surnames. Now, the surnames, there's one in the Auckland District Court, right? O'Shaughnessy, Dave O'Shaughnessy, you run away, no, we'll catch you. And Chris Willison, the Attorney General, you and 61 Cook Street, we'll catch you, put you on a stand, the wine box. I got all that when I was in New Zealand first. Got all those ones, I'll pick them all out and have you on the stand. All of you cuffed up, right? Transported back to England. And so we got the law against the law, tikanga Moai law, not the tikanga Maori law. That's corrupted. You might as well throw that out in the bin. Like, chuck the whole book away, right? We're starting fresh. No more of this. The Pākehās and corporate companies use that law, right? That's ours. They use it in Rarotonga, in the islands. That's ours, Maori law. And they're using it over there. The government uses it over there by a tax haven to get away with tax evasion, right? We're going to catch all that lot up too. So I've got a lot of things to go through here, but I won't go through them because it'll take too long. I'll make another video and try to condense it. This is about 5 pages, but I just want to say to Sean Rice today on this short clip that this video here, I'm just pointing out to you, it is a treasonous crime for you to appoint a Governor-General. I'm telling you straight in the face. Today, when you go ahead and do that, we charge you 10% interest on top of what we already charged you for all the crimes put together, alright? You are going to pay because you are causing the problem. You, one white person from England, you over there, not over here, you over there. You're on our land talking to me, talking to my people, the Polynesians, who came here in the first place, and you are dictating from the Queen in England. You want to foreclose this country and take it off us. No, you've got to come through us first. Come through the Confederation, not the plastic marriage, the ones with the real surnames, not the other one. I can tell you, I rattled them all off, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to tell you, Sian Elias, today. I've already sent the affidavit to you. It's on Facebook. It's on Twitter. It's going around on the other sites around the world, and they're going to watch you like a hawk. They'll watch you and see what you're going to do about it, and see which crown is telling bullshit. Right? One crown is going to fall over. The Queen's crown is just a metal piece, and they're going to melt it up and throw it away. And she's fraudulent as well with the crown. It's not real, right? Moai's got his crown. He's on his head. That's it. Fixed for life. Another 50,000 years. Okay? So that's enough for now, and I'll cut another video afterwards. It's such a dull day today, but however, that's the way the cookie goes. So thank you very much, and that'll do for now. Bye.